2005 GMC Canyon regular cab Z71 four-wheel drive off-road. It's got the 2.8 liter four-cylinder in it. This is a awesome truck. It's got brand new tires, brand new brakes, burgundy in color. It's got 71,000 miles on it. It's got the off-road four-wheel drive, nice bright aluminum wheels. It's got a tow package with the wiring. It's got a real nice Lund tonneau cover, chrome bumper. Everything looks like it's been undercoated. No scratches. It does have fog lights in the front here, right down there. Real sharp looking truck. Has roll up windows, rubber floors, cup holders. It's a 3-passenger. Auto headlights, fog lights, intermittent wipers. Has the four-wheel drive buttons on the fly right there. MP3 CD player, air conditioning. Nice little pinstripe. Nice truck. In almost new condition. Give me a call, Corey at Finney's Automotive Center, 315-686-5271. Thank you.